in the Prof. E.K. Walasa, good day catch back up. The only nomenclature of professors degree in sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and a messing Kunana Kono Quantum Cordens Mordred Saka, and I know Pensubium or Ghana good him age catch up Busian for now for Yere Oma or Fassi for Nana Mukruman Panafu as a prof, and no pay, Messan Jinem, Edia Kensimus Empire Saka 8 major. You may call near Bako or Madama, Omna Bombs Cajuti men and Pedin Common Eba. Game Park Games, Omde the eagerly anticipated pick one game number, arrival with the bank, Bomodian that saw who beat Jim. You can't game Park Games are also letting numbers from 1 to 36. Now, what you stake you,Ustake here, Ubedi 26 times mistake no. The scar bets the Charukita 1 Ghana cities and copy 350 Ghana cities are Ubeti me the Jim. Boys, dear aid in Yasam Ketokra, guess and so the Jim, I may name Western Emma Asia Costa chairman, no my jai, Ubia chairman at the man home, but now a game Park Games Adama and a Sanchez to quit Saba. What dial star 9 forces hash, star 9 forces hash, all networks now, only 2 game Park Games. Ubeti www.gameparkgames.com now for them. For 20 cents so near the can say draw the basso ewa Adom TV so anopa no kro na fe wi kataban so premtobre na asaba so na fe enwenu nsia atimi asato fam bio game Park Games so se more power game we national authority for pen for madama wo mo ene de om hotan san chim ana fe uni mu fe no hwe mfa wonyim izan se chacha diwa wani betia pru so wadwene betia san hye witri betia bom wani betia kokora ntia na ode adwene kakra etia ta to ho we mu ene sponsors a tuturu to a mo tachira boa mena no pai ye de nkomo no etimeja me sha say the English FA Cup matches be bring night men out of fam Luton Town for transfer Man City etwa meka polypoly insia e mo bete matches awdo etwensan PMO English FA Cup nim no ene de hunsunsu so kakra etimeja ma metinto mo Ghana nkomom de no a Ghana man pen His Excellency Nado Dan Kwakufado obon komo ye Ghana man penye bi wetwe mo se no obo boxing na wrestling nema Asia Costa dada ba pa obo boxing de enye no kre ba wrestling na ne ACT no a o say yeso tre se ole gon no na one Ghana man pen dada wenya ne ba bi ko Fifi Fenton Mills etimi enso bobo Lagos school team no kan bia no di ma kwetene Panam se ye na ka Lagos school team na still Ghana football kwesi na se enya abotre bibia etimi sa to mi pa obenishiti policy a obe revive the declining air fortunes of Ghana football no abo ma nema etia koyi happen our the state of the nation's address etimi to dwa ewo mrahye bedwumanura na wrestling nema Asia Costa chronology the decline of the state of sports ewo Ghana ha na for the disappointment our the senior national soccer team Blasters of Ghana La Cote d'Ivoire African Cup of Nations etimi to dwa yebo prelims na fi twi na yeba fi no omo ehwe nim se bibia betwema obetime the grassroots development and so etia saba na from the district level and I feel so cry from the autonomous villages and towns no etime develop on kwala o sin tabi o ma bene na afio ma bo Premier League clubs abebo Ghana national team no na ma bo emaniama etia koye e de amagana ina.
Speaker, I believe it is time for us to take a long-term, far-sighted approach to correct what has gone wrong. It's time to return to scouting, grooming, and developing talent at the grassroots level under a presidential policy on football that I intend to unveil very soon. The School Sports Department of the Ministry of Education will work hand in hand with the Ministry of Youth and Sports in collaboration and synergy with the Ghana Football Association to build district, regional, and national juvenile teams for both girls and boys. The more than 150 AstroTurf pitches constructed throughout the country under this administration provide the foundational facilities to make a start as we strive to provide more of them, which will see a steady progression of talent up the ladder from the junior juvenile teams to the senior sides based on merit and nothing else. A similar approach has been tried before under the 5-year football development plan led by the late Ben Kofi, initiated under the MPP administration of President J.A. Kufuor. It was under this plan that talents such as Michael Essien, Sule Muntari, John Mensah, Derek Boateng, and later Asamoah Gyan and Stephen Appiah were discovered and nurtured. The results became evident to us and the world. It takes time, dedication, and patience. We cannot harvest where we have not planted and irrigated.
And the Ghana man paying another down Kwakufado and a state of the nation's address and sports for the woman and a maponeka cry at the Jano, Western Yama Asia Costa and Natchez and Yadama, the mass sports Abe Crabeshe, baby Indiano, yentimi entwa na yesa to mu bio no African Air Games enso beba so Ghana ha na the 13th African Games na wohwe san Mexico so asa adwumadi yakwaji si yesre so ache yie bese mfie makomako bese num konsia ntamni afe na nei yewie Boteman Sports Complex yewie Legon Sports Complex a ehwe nim se yebetimi de hostu sa competition na Ghana mampan se wokache wiase afa na ina se Ghana ayai krado sa wo bese eye aduonu ani akira amoba no omuna betia sa beboa Emaniama etia tutu ye ewo African Games na se.
Speaker, it gives me great pleasure to report that all the preparations are ready for Ghana to welcome sportsmen and women from around the continent to participate in the 13th edition of the African Games. It seems incredible, but this is the first time that Ghana will be hosting these games. It's taken a lot of courage to have persisted with the decision to host the games, especially when our financial problem came in the midst of the preparations. But I am glad we went ahead. The preparations are all complete, and I was excited and very pleased with what I saw at Boteman when I went to commission the Games Village some 2 weeks ago. We have high-class sporting facilities which will serve us well long after the Games are over. Some of the events will take place at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium. It is worth noting that this is a facility started under former President J.A. Kufuor and was abandoned by successor governments.
Also, we have a high-class air facility. There's a Ghana Mapen, you see the West very well. One can say world-class facility, high-class. It's necessary, yeah, away DMD. You will see me at the Grobat, ever compared to my countryman Songo, fireman himself, or now and pay Songo stick. Yeah, Ukwada no Pebiasi, no, yeah, the sound come on so. Hello, Songo. Hello, Songo.
Bibiaboko mitonka.
Okay. Me sure say na mfese bia bush adwa no penso.
Baby RDC and the president ni de o matwra ma na kama. Ene waka. Ni ohun ya ni de yes. Isi ani a wo show, enfoni a wo show o TV sui. Ohun a efe. But as to say wo busa say high class, ye diem de betimi de dia agro. A world class ana. Well, we hope to see. Say after tournament with me successful we are omu betimi a maintaining a facilities no maintenance culture a problem to buy in Ghana, but we say 8 days more. President say we are ready to host the rest of Africa, but 8 days more to competition way. I wish you as a nation cross say medals say any veggie as a nation. Yeah, medals say ena ye PCG as Ghana as host medals say e PCG. Sikane de enyaba amamudi ama elusive no sports minister wajene de in the name of sending in all African Games here. Wo mu chesken bi keke. No mu Ghana ni ma se all African Games. Mo o mu chesken bi keke. Na omo nya no ma bi ani so fu ubo je bedu ba bi no first time ni na no ma bi atochima because anything na me person facilities no ready in term na at least you use at least you test it on say who test it who use kakra enye it say you test it who say bibia fantastic enye during the time of competition and facilities bi be di hamo. Because before the after 8 days, and sir, I transported umbe use pitch no me boa.
Aye.
And umbe usually go pitch no so for football na me boa.
I know cray.
And we say inspection course no na glass no muji to man o man yan. We say o ta say enya transported pitch no kwa na bobo so me boa. Omube usually go sports stadium. I'm here the abobo. Meboa.
And craft
for only buy especially those things in an pitch warning in an. Omuji grass and in normal bibia to mukama there. We hope to Ghana in Bunu when masi and you hope to Ghana Benyameda. Ghana bebon home modding. You hope to Omungu Ghana and masi all African Games. in this game strategy. Bami fan to war. Quick one on Tongo State. Football. President Nukwadia to say also go back to basis. Football I say. But momo money nye kasa keke. Momo money nye kasa keke. Ya chuno gukrata so ni atinkan. No. Because the president of the land will say also go back to basis. So football people get and go. Shut up. Munyadin. Na munyai se munam na mu pese mu defend mu ho. Ati se mun munyai mun say football results ma. Mun set it up. Na munya the right thing ma football. Na munyai se munam e defend se and a sports ministry. O mun e PSK yes football for mudiska. Anya mun amode budget ko. Wa mun e prepare budget. No akase ma me $100,000 US dollars. And I'm 13 billion old Ghana cedis each as management members of Black Stars. One man prepare budget today. You should shut up. Shut up. Now President Kufuor no kwa wajia to say football no. I say football we should go back to the basis, the grassroots. Yen selected players, yen normal based on merit. Ebiani positions are more demand for football as well. And conform Musafata na mumu positions prepare. And mumu show football my. Going back to the basis, President Kufuor say we have to do things based on merit. Based on merit, any players is selecting kwa, any coach is selecting kwa. Ebini muan kasa administrators. Ni on sem fata on nima jumano. You don't give that person a job. Money pakone juma say, friends and chronics, sycophants. Enti mamane juma so onye Ghana Football Association wajuma. And Maya Yabani Omu under 17, Ghana under 17 ma Yabani for more than 2 years or whatever. Because of age cheating. Nipa would dear Nimu as a man management committee. Or you useless. Nisu Nimfatwo. Or you very useless person. Because in the modern day data, Utimisha MRI, Utimisha Emma Muvia age cheating. I'm here bandy a whole country Ghana, a man under 17 football. Now we're useless management member or management penny. Obi on some for Tabiani Amanu Dibre, so on Yajumao football. So going back to the basis now, President Kufuor Kano, Ning any selecting players and after selecting people based on merit. As our command administrators, more fat management administrators, also Mushe. Football to the bravia. Usheni power nima jumano. Usheni pana obetuma ye jumano. Not because the nipa no you fan and as the nipa no you animal farm ruling for the because you don't work with your enemies. They should shut up. Omunye din wo no munya se omu try say omu be defend you omu ho. Say na football no omu say no and football no taxpayers money ye dey call national teams no. And you moon de call, and you moon tia, and you moon mutia, one moon a prepare budget. Now, copia ministry. Now, and son of sports ministry, I just say finance this kind of baba. Neo do what here will 2 years scanning in ano. Sika, oh, budget, what budgeting or do what here, or this is scanning mom. Shut up there. Football people, no matter say football, there's no results. Money results beyond the trade. 1 p.m. at Waso. May I say, Ghana for 1 p.m. I will fire for fire, and we are Adom TV. Okay. What say football? We move a dinamo, kasa, and try to defend. Nonsense. And Patrick Osage, my countryman, Sungo Nathan, and Kasongo stick. And the Ebron football day, Ghana Penra was State of the Nations address in Eji to Musampa. I say, cry, just say, I condemn a crew, our Western Nema is your Kobe here, say, on one day she should be Tuja, South policies in Betty and Samboa, and my football, not some Fabian, so baby, no, ain't me intra, or the football no budget, I can see my Jeffy Fono, or 8 million and Pessit Mitra, away Jumedia, Igusu Edimo. Shannon said, ne, and a black queens of Ghana, only the copper queens of Zambia. A second leg of the Olympic qualifiers between at time so na Swiss air trainer no one abawa or met for the French self da isi mabon komo kakra ewachiri
0 in Accra, but we had a very good performance on the pitch. When you look on the statistics, they were all on our side. Possession, attempts on the goal. I think we deserved there at home a goal, but that's how sometimes football go. We flew then very straight to Zambia, right Friday night to arrive early here. We had a very warm welcome in Zambia. It's a beautiful country actually. I like how it's green here. The people are very friendly, so we feel very, very good here. Had some good training sessions. Tonight we go in the stadium, and I heard that tomorrow it's going to be a packed stadium, so we like it. We like this crowd, and I hope it will be a big football game tomorrow evening for all of us. We already adapted in mid-time in Ghana and had better grip, so we also have some plans for tomorrow, you will see. But of course, it's our approach to be stable in the game, and we need to score.
Inti Black Queens of Ghana Nora Hotel and then my one and I'll tell you some day Omukomo Ejan. Namely to Mr. Bokane a class of phobia never say die 11 and yet is Abu Bukui. Now Okoma Bako same when ra na enye nika kra. Na be piem ni say House of Folk board ni na no omse oma dissolve board no. Na san komo yi House of Folk editor official en kan friend Twitter ni omse X so no mo de etoye omo ehwe nim se nyame adoma in the coming days no omo de hyehyɛ bibiri na betuan san betuja. Manfo che say odote anka bi ana afen so Dr. Nyaho Tamakru, Sanko for the say, your board for fra, me and two son fan from you, but a bedne, I was an uncommon Asia Kuni.
A chitafon who san semi, Sebo Bukon diabetu jano, o manage ye pa, a copum say, and yama say, no more chanche pa. Say to Baffede, Edna Sabisinabo, say what Joe Bibia quine, our board and so, a domo pa bemu, Nisanti, Sene Bobo Kundabetu jano, Womu Chenimu. Sabusume a ebesimu match no omodi nneama begu akwan mu na House of Folk asafa ne ntoma pefra onim se na no ena mo paw coach fofra general manager fofro nso omonsa ka no entiene omodomo osuko na se togbe e de board fofro ana se management e be ka ho a na boboko nanimu a ena omokro.
Nti Sergio Manucho, your revolving and oscillating reporter, and Obura has a full phones and futuma, or the sound common so at me abba. My main phones here and Comona Cabri na Dawson, but an Yamia Doma, no Siabrino, yet the Black Queens of Ghana live commentary Bebra was Sempa 94.7 FM, 20 so, baby I will be an outward feeding out to Asempa 94.7 FM, Sunafi Black Queens versus the Copper Queens of Zambia, or more Akensia, a year Olympic qualifiers no, what return leg encounter, a bit in PMO Awendola. Bibia and Bikuma, a bessa at also decision at Finsajao. Sister Sandy be a guy, in fact, in terms of the entertainment today, Ghana had you be intimate. I see be out of Robert wrestling in my ACL assisted in Como Air Papa, and the Yankan Sunni Akan Suka Crano, and Odimuchi, a bit yaba, the more health tips and Subeba, now feel so Archer Sebe, Wapumu doing some so a bit in Game Park Games added the eagerly anticipated pick one game no Abba, arrival with the bank, but more than that, so no bit in gym, and from 1 to 36 and our best Latin numbers no, Ultra 1 Ghana cities are on Beji, Ultra 2 Ghana cities on Beji, copying 350 Ghana cities. But so we pick one game no and a medium one dance city channel, star 946 hash. Star 946 hash. All networks will be media too. And I say, oh, internet and so there, gameparkgames.com. Now, all the way to answer you. Can Game Park Games are was more mula, more power. A national authority from paying for, and I say, Abu Mutim Kwa Japan say, Yamfa Sanchez with Quimra, then Melbourne so, and Fendidika Cranum Ultra Chacha, Fajonica Cartoon is answer Chacha Dua, when you bet your Prusu. Wajuni beti ansa show when you beti who are you inti na odi adwene kakra etimi atos we mo any sponsors o mta chiri bo men na no penso ye dia wo kensi won sempa esa kan ejao within the prof ek wala sakudi catch back open am of course evidence based sports presentation etimi jao the act of being a good guest is to know to say good morning.